Stop choosing between the foods you love and the results you want. You can satisfy your cravings, hit your weight loss goals, and still feel like you're cheating. Today, I'm rebuilding butter pecan, caramel chocolate cheesecake, and Kinder Bueno ice cream, all with at least 44 grams of protein. Let's get to work. First, every pint's gonna get 1.5 cups of Fairlife's fat-free milk, 1 scoop of vanilla ice cream protein powder, and now for the butter pecan, we're adding in a 1/2 teaspoon of butter extract. This will give the pint that buttery flavor without all the calories that real butter has. 1 tablespoon of 0-calorie brown sugar. For the caramel chocolate cheesecake, add in 1 tablespoon of 0-sugar cheesecake pudding. This will give the base the cheesecake flavor for no sugar and little calories. And now 1 tablespoon of caramel syrup. This will give us that rich, buttery sweetness that'll complement the cheesecake tang. I'm using actual caramel syrup, but if you want less calories and sugar, use the sugar-free version. For the Kinder Bueno, add in 1 tablespoon of unsweetened dark cocoa powder. This will give us that rich chocolate flavor in the pint. 2 teaspoons of hazelnut chocolate spread. For that hazelnut milk chocolate flavoring. And now for a touch more sweetness, we're adding in 2 teaspoons of 0-calorie sweetener. Now every pint's gonna get 1/4 of a teaspoon of Terra gum. This will ensure we get a nice, thick, creamy scoop as opposed to an icy one. Now a pinch of salt. This will enhance the flavor in all the pints. Now blend them all up. I'm using an immersion blender. I have the link for that in the description. And once that's done, we'll drop each pint into the freezer for 24 hours. The next day, make sure you run the pint through some warm to hot water to make sure the sides aren't too icy. Now first up, the butter pecan. We'll drop it in the creamy and hit the light ice cream setting. Add in 15 grams of pecans and make sure you chop them up. Dump them into the pint, throw it back in the creamy and hit mix in. Sprinkle some more on top. And there you go. The entire pint is 347 calories and 45 grams of protein. Let's try out the butter pecan. Yeah, it's that rich butter taste from the butter extract. You really taste it. It tastes really good. Then you get the crunch, the pecans. Yeah, it really works well. This is a good one. Next up, the caramel chocolate cheesecake. We'll run it on the light ice cream setting. For the mix-in, we're using 4 Oreo thins. I got rid of the cream to reduce the calories. We'll dump that in, drop it back in the creamy, and mix in. Top it with some caramel syrup, and enjoy. The entire pint is 412 calories and 44 grams of protein. If you like these recipes so far, be sure to hit that like button so more people can see this. Now let's see how it tastes. Let's try the caramel chocolate cheesecake. It's like cookies and cream, but with that caramel taste. Super sweet, super creamy. Just can't beat it. So good. So good. This one's really good. Now for our last recipe, the Kinder Bueno. Light ice cream setting. For the mix-ins, we're using Kinder Bueno's crispy, creamy chocolate bites. I chopped up 5 of them and dump them into the pint. Mix it in, and there you go. The entire pint is 461 calories and 47 grams of protein. Let's try out the Kinder Bueno. Yeah, you got that rich chocolate, that hazelnut taste. Crunch of the chocolates in here ties it together well. If you like chocolate and hazelnut, this is good. If you want to stop guessing and start making pints exactly like this one every single night, I put together 25 Ninja Creami recipes all in this ebook. Use code SAVE for 25% off. The link for that will be in the description.